Google Chromebook is one of the most well-known gadgets. It is lighter than the standard laptop and less exposed to viruses. There are many things that you didn't know your Chromebook could do. So stay tuned and watch our full video to know more about these features. Number 10. Draw. This feature is only for touchscreen Chromebooks only. You can draw anything you want, limited by your vision and capacity to draw color and love for art. You can also draw on the touchscreen Chromebook by using your fingers or a stylus, which are both working perfectly and meeting your requirements with another nifty feature, which would definitely come in useful and edging. Using your artistic skills on your Chromebook has never been easier, but with a Da Vinci-esque masterpiece, you are just a few swipes away. Number 9. Launching apps. There is a shared feature by Windows and iOS. Chromebook users can access their apps by tapping after clicking on the launcher icon and typing the name of the app in the search button on the lower left, and run apps like Video Editor just by typing its name. Well, it's pretty easy. It's one of the few things that a Chromebook shares with respect to other laptops like Windows and many more, which the community has accepted with open arms. Number 8. Get Google Cards from OS Launcher. At the bottom of the OS Launcher, there is a little black arrow. If you click on that, it will show a Google Now card with a suggested search space on your browsing history. Scrolling down will also expand the cards in size. You can easily refresh and update the content and enhance the content and criteria by pressing on the More option. This is an easy-to-use feature for the Chromebook and also for a regular user. Number 7. Skype calls. Chromebook users can log in to their Skype accounts and discuss over the internet by using the service provided by Skype, which can also be used to make voice and video calls. Well, there are some occasional bugs and freezes which will be improved in the upcoming time. This is an important feature, as what you thought to be just a web browser for money can actually allow you to conduct video and voice calls. Number 6. Video and photo editing. You can use the Polar Photo Editor to add some special effects and filters to Instagram pictures, and in getting you some amazing followers by helping you in your editing for business or fun purposes. Well, you can also use other apps for video editing, which you can search on the web store by searching the keywords Video Editor. Number 5. Calculator. Well, don't tell this to your children who are finding difficulty in doing their maths homework. In case you don't know, you can use Chrome OS Launcher as a calculator. You have to put it in the math problem and add an equal sign at the end to get your answer quickly. This is an excellent feature which can be very helpful in your daily life. Number 4. OK Google. Using the Google Assistant, which is turned on by Hey Google or OK Google, can also be used to get information you didn't know you could get from a Google Assistant. This also includes searching for showtimes for your favorite movies. However, this can only be accessed by enabling the Enable OK Google to turn on any applications or to even ask the score of the latest NBA game. Google added this important and enhanced feature to the Chromebook on popular demand from the users, and mainly because of the Google Assistant's efficiency and usefulness, along with its range of information, which is almost endless. Number 3. Run apps offline. You can now go to the web store and scroll under the offline apps, which will run even after the internet goes down for some reason. These will run offline and without any internet connection. For example, Gmail offline, Kindle Cloud Reader, and Giphy diagrams. These will also give a great experience, something which is simple and beneficial. This is definitely a feature that not many people knew before. Number 2. Keyboard shortcuts. The following keyboard shortcuts will help you in future if you are using your Chromebook. These include shortcuts to snap windows to the left and right side. Pressing Ctrl plus Enter before and after adding a web address will add www. and .com before and after to the text. This actually saves a large amount of time in the long run while making your Chromebook experience just a little easier and better. You can also use the power and refresh button to force a reboot in the whole system. Number 1. Run Android apps. Google introduced this feature while announcing that they would add Android app compatibility on the Chromebook. But the only drawback is that it's some sort of incompatible. You can only select apps available for Chromebook use, which makes users feel like they have been deprived by Google. Google has already announced that it will extend and upgrade this feature to make most of the app available through the app runtime for Chrome. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more amazing videos like this. Peace out!